Hello guys, it's your boy. Don't play with us, you already know. So I'm going to show you how to change air filter on the cabinet first. On an Acura TL 2012 first, open the cabinet. You have to take that off, pull it first. If you got stuff in it, take it out and then pull it. So for this part, you have to use your two hands. You see those click right there on the other side? You have to grab it at the same time, then pull it. I will show you right now like this. You need to use two hands. You grab it and grab the other side, and just push it. Just like that. Take it out. That shit look dirty. You already know, dirty. So just replace it with an old one with a new one. Just like that. When you put that new one, you just put it back. Where what? Listen to the sound. Click, you hear that click? It should sound like that always. You already know. You can say it's sunny outside, so just put everything back how it was. And thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next one.
Nos vemos la próxima.